Hi there, I'm your Fram expert, Hansen. And in this video, we will learn how to replace an old air filter with a new Fram filter. Let's take a look. An air filter replacement is a straightforward task that you can do yourself. Generally, it requires nothing more than unfastening a few clips on the housing, removing the old filter element and replacing with a new one, then ensuring the housing is closed and sealed securely. Let us show you how. As you can see, the housing is held in place by a series of metal clips. Unclip them. Lift off the housing lid and remove the old filter from within. Be sure to clean out the housing unit before fitting the new Fram filter. We are almost done. All that's left to do is clip the housing back into place. There are different types of air filters made to fit a wide variety of vehicles. So before you attempt a DIY, make sure you have the right part. Finding the right filter for your vehicle couldn't be easier with the part search feature on Fram's website. A simple search takes the guesswork out of choosing the right parts by sorting the entire catalog with just a few clicks. Be sure to check it out at www.fram.co.za before you make a purchase. Fram has been synonymous with world-class quality and high-performance filtration since 1934. Subscribe, give this video a like and send us your questions. And remember to join us the next time for more on Fram filtration.